Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through a small overview about file transfer protocol. Okay, so assume that you want to send some files from your system to other system or from your system to a pen drive. So at that time, you will copy the files, right? Yes. So indirectly, the files, if you want to do the same process with the help of with a server. So if you want to send the files to the server or if you want to download the files from the server. So basically take an example of Google Drive or something. So at that time you can upload your files and you can download your files, right? Yes. So here you will follow the concept of FTP, guys. To be clear, FTP is nothing but with respect to files, right? So can you allow if there is any kind of missing data, guys? You will not allow, right? So that is the reason why TCP is used here. Similarly for mail also TCP is used. I think I forgot to say about it. Okay. Yes. So basically here we will take two ports, guys. So the first port is to transfer the data and the second port is for controlling the things. So assume that you start a transfer of data and the data is transferring and suddenly you want to cancel it because you got some other work. So at that time if you send the cancel request in the data line, so once the whole data is transferred, then your cancel request will be there, right? So that is the reason why this will take lot of time and after completion of copy it will cancel. Then there is no use. So that is the reason why we use separate line for data and separate line for control. Got it? Yes. So this is our client and this is our server. Okay. So we will be having the user interface at the client side. So basically he can drag and drop the files and everything. Okay. And the data is transferred to the data transfer process and the control processor will take control processor unit. Okay. So in this way. So basically control will access the control things and the data transfer will access the storage things. Got it? Yes. So in this way the TCP will work, guys. So now you got some basic idea, right? Yes. So anyway, while discussing PYQPs, I'll be giving more and more information as per the requirement, guys. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing some switching techniques, guys. Okay. Yes. So in the next lecture, let us discuss the concept of switching techniques. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.